Good morning, everybody. So today is Monday, which means that it is a homeschooling day as well as a work day. We had a little bit of a break on the weekend and now we're back at it. So right now the girls are just getting ready and we're going to do some homeschooling and then we're going to get to work. We have a lot of packages that need to be delivered and sent out today. So we'll take you along for the day so you can see what we do. And yeah, join us. We always do is start the day off by looking out the window, and unfortunately it is a very cloudy day today. Oh, you'll notice that we actually set up a trampoline in our backyard for the girls because we are in our third lockdown right now and the girls have like nothing good to do other than just play outside in the backyard or go for walks and hikes and stuff like that. So the trampoline has been a lot of fun. We might go out there later as long as it's not raining so you guys can kind of see how the girls love to jump around in there. But yeah, this is what today looks like. Hello, Miss Amina.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm doing cutouts.
Oh, okay, so you're
solids
trying
and liquids.
solids and liquids. Let's look at these lazy kitties. There's Maui. Hi, Maui. Aw, are you resting? He's in his nest. Look at how big he is, and he still loves this little nest. And then here we have sweet Milo. Hi, Milo. Here we have our schoolroom. So this is where the girls do their school. Zainab does her schooling in this desk and Amina in this desk. They have all these awesome posters.
It even tells our names. And over here there is Zainab, and this one is Amina.
Yes, that's right. We have the really easy access posters here up on the wall, so if they need any help with their counting or letters or colors or anything like that, they can just do a quick reference up here. Right now, Zainab is in junior kindergarten. She's actually away right now doing some work on the tablet.
Zainab has finished her work for the day.
Ah,
Yeah, so
okay, cool.
Just Amina is wrapping up, but her work is much more difficult, obviously, because she's 2 years older, so it takes a little bit longer.
Yeah.
But very beneficial.
Yes.
Zainab's 3, I'm 5. I like to cut out like these pieces too.
And we have little Miss Zainab. Did you finish your schooling?
Yeah.
And what are you doing now?
Reading this so I can get my supplies. Because I got only 3. Now I want another one. I'm so close to this one.
So this is the only time that we let the girls have screen time for just about 20 minutes or so, 15 minutes or so after they're done their schooling. They get to do a learning program that teaches them how to do reading and writing and memorization and everything like that. So that's what Zainab's doing right now. Okay, so I am currently in the office. I'm on my laptop, and the first thing that I do while the girls are homeschooling with Will is look through our website and print out all of the shipping labels for the orders that came through last night. Just printed this stack, and we just got our first order from Maka. That's so cool. So what are you girls gonna do while I have a meeting?
Hang out with Ami.
Yeah?
Watch a show.
You're gonna go watch a show? Hey, are you gonna have a good break? Okay, I love you. All right, so while our girls are upstairs, they just finished homeschooling. They are going to spend some time with their grandma, and me and Will always come downstairs because we're so blessed we get to work from home. So we literally homeschool our kids and then come downstairs and get to work. For those of you that might not know, we make hijabs for a living, and we have our own hijab company, LALA HIJABS. So we will come downstairs, get to work, and start doing what we need to do. We hand dye everything ourselves. We actually don't have any employees at this time. It's just me and Will doing everything. So when you purchase from us, you will know that you literally are buying it directly from us. So I am usually doing all the packing of the orders, and William is usually doing all of the dyeing as well as the folding. So you'll see here I'm just packing as many orders as I can to get out the door for today for the deliveries, and then William will start hand folding everything. And since we are eco-friendly, we don't pack anything in plastic at all. We want to to try to make sure that we reduce our impact on the environment as much as possible, which is why you'll actually see all of the hijabs hanging instead of being dried in a dryer, because we don't want to use energy, like unnecessary energy. So we hang dry everything, and it keeps the fabric super soft too. So Will is just folding everything right now, and then I'm packing everything ready to go, and William is going to drive to a near city where he does the drop-offs, and once he is doing that, he will come back and we will have a meeting. So I'm just doing a quick fresh face of makeup here. And the funny thing is I used to take an hour to get ready, and this like literally took me less than 5 minutes. I really am a minimalist now when it comes to doing my makeup. I just try to do as quick of a face as I can, which is the complete opposite of what I used to do. So once I'm done getting ready, we have a Zoom call and a little meeting, and yeah, so tag along. Okay, so I just finished getting ready. Will, I think he just actually like literally just walked in the door from Markham. So he just went and dropped packages off. We have a Zoom call right now with a bunch of awesome people. And then we usually do some kind of like downtime with the kids. We let them watch a show or two, let them have some playtime, and then we'll do an activity. So we'll usually go out for a walk or do the trampoline or go to the playground, something like that. Because we are spending our time right now in lockdown for the 3rd time, so we can't do much. Nothing is open here. So we'll do that, and then in the evening we have a YouTube live scheduled, but we will probably cook dinner with you as well. And yeah, hope you enjoyed today's video. So our days usually start with homeschooling the kids, getting to work, and then usually we'll have some meetings throughout the week. So today was one of those days where we had a Zoom call because unfortunately we are in lockdown, so everything is done virtually. So we're going to be having one of our meetings and then go down and play with the kids. So you guys are playing Legos?
Yep.
We're building Legos.
You building
We're
Legos?
not playing Lego, we're building Lego.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can I see your structure? Oh, snap. That looks pretty cool. Tizi, did you see that house?
I wanted to make a scooter. That's because it's on instructions.
It's on instructions? Oh my god.
I want to build one of these.
What do you want to build?
These.
One of these?
I just need parts. Wait, that's not the correct. Oh, it's not in that book there. I'm sure it is.
Well, hello, Mr. Milo. You hanging out? Having a good time? Got our Ramadan Mubarak sign. William did all the flowers. You'll see a video on TikTok of how we made that. And then on the other side we have Eid Mubarak. And this one is one that I made. Looks like it's... There we go. There we go. And then we have our Eid Mubarak sign. We still have to put our lights up. Okay, so we're just putting up our Ramadan lights. We just got these ones from Amazon. What you doing?
Putting up lights, what are you doing?
Looking at you putting up lights.
All right, let's get some batteries in there.
All right. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's see.
The dancing ones or the solid ones?
I kind of like the dancing ones.
Solid one.
That's cute.
Solid. Papa!
Wow. Ah, perfect.
Turn off the light.
It's daytime, sweetie. I can't turn off the light. But it looked really nice with those on.
Yeah, for sure.
It's almost Eid.
It's almost Eid.
It's almost Eid, she says.
Ramadan, sweetie.
Yeah, you gotta wait for Ramadan.
Sweet, there's Lego, don't bounce. I need your griffin. I'm gonna glue his wings back on.
So girls, what do you think?
Love it. So pretty. Yes.
Do you love it? Doesn't it feel so festive? Just a little bit of little cute lights and it makes like the whole space so cute. So today's video is sponsored by HelloFresh. We love them so much. You guys have seen us use them time and time again before. If you don't know who they are, they deliver seasonal recipes and they're completely fresh and pre-measured with ingredients that are delivered literally right to your door. And it really encourages you to eat fresh, healthy food, and it's super easy to cook them because they have recipe cards and you get to choose the recipes. It's super awesome, and they always come in these recyclable or previously recycled boxes, which makes me super happy because we love eco-friendly companies. And there's ice packs on the bottom that you can actually save and reuse again. They're just filled with water, so I absolutely love that about them and their packaging. It's just so fantastic. So we are in the kitchen, and today we're going to cook Caribbean black bean and coconut rice. And the girls are gonna help me. Are you gonna help me, girls?
Yeah.
This is the bag. All of the ingredients, absolutely everything is in this bag. All the instructions are on the back of this card, and let's get started. One thing that I love about HelloFresh is I have yet to try one of their recipes that did not taste good. Honestly, they are so delicious. Everything that I've ever tried has been so good. And they actually offer so many recipes to choose from every single week, and it encourages you to try new things, which is what I love, because I feel like right now we're in lockdown and we're always making the same thing over and over again. Unless we have a HelloFresh box, then we're always trying something different, and it just makes me super happy. So that's one thing that I love. And they save you time and stress because you don't have to visit the grocery store. Everything comes right to your door, and you can save up to 28% by using HelloFresh instead of grocery shopping. It saves you time, it saves you money, and nothing goes to waste because everything is portioned. Okay, so what are you guys doing? Are you smashing? What are you smashing?
We are smashing garlic.
Garlic?
My turn.
So this is probably their favorite job. They love mincing up the garlic for us. So I'm sure by now you guys know that we live a very busy lifestyle and we have a lot on the go all the time. And one thing that I absolutely love about HelloFresh is how flexible they are and how it just fits into our lifestyle. We can easily change our delivery days or food preferences. Because we are Muslim, we always choose the vegetarian options, and there's so many different recipes that we can pick from. And we can always skip a week if we don't need it one week. It's just so awesome. Okay, so we have put the rice in with some of the garlic as well as the jerk powder and some salt and a little bit of oil, and now we're toasting the rice before adding the water. Okay, then we're just gonna add the water. Okay, so the water is now boiling, so we can turn this guy down and then cover it up and let the rice cook. Okay, so we've got Will prepping the veggies. Right now you're doing red pepper.
A bar.
What did I just give you?
Lemon juice.
It's actually lemonade.
It's actually lemonade. Do you like it?
Yeah. Okay, Mama?
Yes.
Can I do and cook it? I made a lemonade stand.
Eat some food.
What are you doing? Sneak up on it.
He's literally
I'm
just...
afraid of that stuff.
He thinks it's chicken.
That one's waiting.
Hey, what do you think you're doing, Milo? Or Maui? Okay, the one thing that I love about HelloFresh is they portion everything out for you. So this is all of the cilantro that I need. And there's no waste. What?
This is all the pineapple I need, but I want to eat it.
By now you guys probably already know that we love companies that give back, and HelloFresh does exactly that. Last year alone in 2020, they donated over 4 million meals to charity, you guys, and they continue to step up their food donations amongst the pandemic.
We are making pineapple juice.
Oh,
Pineapple.
looks yummy. We're adding the black bean pirate soup.
Okay, at this point, you guys are probably already drooling. So go to HelloFresh.com to try it yourself and use our code Saleh12 to get 12 free meals, including free shipping. You can't beat that, you guys. I just caught William on his phone.
It's called multitasking.
It's called multitasking. How's that food there? Huh?
It's rendering down.
It's rendering down? Yeah? Do you know when it's done?
Yep. When it's rendered.
Okay, so what I did was I grabbed the rice, I put the toasted coconut inside of the rice, and then I seasoned it with a little bit of salt. And then what I'm going to do is take the bean mixture
That I made.
that we made and put it on top, like so. Okay.
Yum.
And then from there, we will add the salsa. So this is the pineapple salsa. Okay, moment of truth. Let's try this. I gotta make sure I get like every ounce. It's so hard to get like absolutely everything in there.
Can't fake it. You're on camera.
That's really good. I like it. I like the salsa. The salsa on top is really nice. It's like a combination of like cold and hot. And the rice is really nice too. Gosh, really.
Bismillah. It's really good.
Yeah?
It's like sweet from the pineapple.
Yeah.
A little bit of lemon or lime
Yep.
juice.
Yep.
It's like tangy,
Yep.
but it's really good. Very island vibes.
Very island vibes.
Thank you so much for joining us. We unfortunately didn't get a chance to film the kids' bedtime routine. We were rushed for time as we had a live on YouTube at 9:30, which ended abruptly, so we absolutely apologize for that, but do stay tuned because we will be doing more, obviously. So we wanted to wish each and every single one of you a blessed month of Ramadan. We hope that, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, make this the best Ramadan ever for each and every single one of you. And we do look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care, guys, and bye for now.